The 767 Oral Study Guide, Electrical.
Question number 1. During takeoff, if the right engine generator fails, what happens to the utility and galley power? Both utility and galley buses will be shed. Question 2. Where is the ground service switch used to power the ground service bus located? Forward cabin flight attendant panel. Question 3. In flight, the left engine is shut down. What electrically powered items are lost? Both utility buses, the left center fuel boost pump, both recirc fans, and the C2 hydraulic pump. Question 4. The avail light on the external power switch is an indication of what? The external power cart is plugged in and the volts and frequency are within limits. Question 5. What is accomplished by pushing the AC bus tie switch to auto? Arms the automatic operation of the AC and DC bus tie breakers. Question 6. What causes the standby power bus off light to illuminate? Loss of the standby AC or DC bus or standby power switch in the off position. Question 7. What will cause the generator drive light to illuminate? High oil temperature or low oil pressure? Question 8. What normally powers the battery bus? The left DC bus. Question 9. In flight, the left generator trips off. What electrical buses are lost? The 2 utility buses and the galley buses. Question 10. Which bus is powered automatically when external power is plugged in? The ground handling bus. Question 11. What is the priority for powering the electrical system? GPU, on-side engine generator, APU, cross-side engine generator. Question 12. With the APU supplying both electrical and pneumatic power, what happens as the first engine is started? Both utility buses trip off. Question 13. What electrical bus powers engine APU and cargo fire extinguisher bottles? The hot battery bus. Question 14. What bus powers the fire detection system? Battery bus. Question 15. What is an integrated drive generator, IDG? Generator and constant speed drive, CSD, in one casing using the same oil. Question 16. What is required to enable the captain's flight instrument transfer bus to transfer with the loss of the left main AC? Both the left and right bus tie switches must be in auto. Question 17. With the APU supplying both electrical and pneumatic power, what happens as the second engine is started? Only the utility bus for the engine being started trips off. Question 18. During triple channel approach, the left generator is lost at 140 feet. What electrical bus, if any, is lost? The left main AC bus. Question 19. With the APU supplying electrical power, what happens when the first engine starts and reaches idle RPM? The engine-driven generator powers its respective main AC bus only. Question 20. With the generator control switch on, what automatically closes when the engine starts? The generator breaker only. Question 21. When will the APU generator control off light illuminate? When the APU generator breaker opens due to a fault. Question 22. What is powering the standby buses? Left main AC and left main DC. Question 23. In a single engine scenario, how can the flight crew maintain electrical system redundancy? By starting the APU and using the APU generator if available. Question 24. What bus is the utility bus connected? when the utility bus switch is on? Respective main AC bus. Question 25. With the bus tie switch in auto, what causes the AC bus isolation light to illuminate? A bus fault has occurred. Question 26. What does pushing the generator control switch off and then on accomplish? It resets the fault trip circuitry. Question 27. What does the run light on the APU control panel indicate? That the APU is at operating speed. Will the GCB close automatically when the voltage and frequency of the respective IDG are within limits? Generator circuit breaker, by the way. Yes. Question 29. What has occurred if during flight an off light illuminates and the on indicator is visible in the generator control switch? A fault has occurred and the generator control circuit breaker has automatically opened. Question 30. Which of the following will cause the generator drive light to illuminate? High oil temperature or low oil pressure? Question 31. How many electrical buses are there in the standby power system? 4. Question 32. What is the backup source of power for the battery bus if the normal source is not available? The main battery. Question 33. The standby AC bus is normally powered by which bus? The left main AC bus. Question 34. The standby DC bus is normally powered by which bus? The left main DC bus. Question 35. With a loss of AC and DC power, what provides electrical power to the standby AC and DC buses? The main battery. Question 36. What does an isolation light mean in the bus tie switch? The switch is off or a fault has occurred. Question 37. The ground handling bus can only be powered on the ground by APU or external power. Question 38. What is the alternate source of power for standby AC? Battery bus through an inverter. Question 39. The HDG, HMG, is supplied from which hydraulic system? Center. Question 40. What happens with the standby power selector in the back? The main battery and standby inverter powers the standby AC bus. Question 41. Which electrical power sources can provide power for the lower cargo doors, main cargo doors, and fueling panel? External power, available or on, or APU generator. Question 42. What happens when you push a generator drive disconnect switch? It physically disconnects the IDG from the engine when above idle speed and opens the related generator control breaker. That is the end of electrical.